Hey, what's happening, guys? Stimulus here, getting back into the groove of vlogging, and today let's talk about Theta or Theta. What do they call it? Theta, theater, Theta. I call it Theta. Yeah. So recently I downloaded the Theta Edge node beta, right? So what this allows you to do, to use your computer power to cache live streams from other people. So you turn on this app. First you have to download it from the theta.org website. I think it's called thetatoken.org, right? So you can download this application for your computer or Mac, right? And you can turn it on just like this, and you can start earning T-Fuel. Not Theta tokens or Theta tokens, but T-Fuel. So T-Fuel is like the gas on the network. And also I think the governance token. I'm not really sure. I need to research more about Theta. But basically you can use your computer to earn tokens by caching live streams and videos around the world. So in a sense you're like a node mining video transactions, right? So I've been using Theta Edge node beta for about a week. So I decided to do it because my computer has been gathering dust. I haven't been using it that often. It's a nice Mac computer, but I just haven't had the time. So I say, you know what, let me download this and start to earn some T-Fuel tokens. And so far in a week, like, I just left this on running. Like, the screen is sleeping, but the CPU is working, right? It's working. For the week, so for 1 week I've only earned 9.8897 T-Fuels. Now, what is the value of a T-Fuel at this moment, January 6, 2021? Let's see. Coin market cap, check T-Fuel. How much is it? Last time I checked, it was like 2 cents. Not much. Let's see. T-Fuel. No, I don't want to search exchanges. Crypto assets. T-Fuel. Alright, so T-Fuel is about, well, we just ticked to 3 cents, right? 3 cents. So let's say 3 times 10, so 30 cents for having my computer running for a week. So it's not so wonderful, but you know, it is there. You know, it's just, if you're not using a computer, or you know, you're not using a lot of your computer power, then why not? Yeah, why not? Just have it running in the background and you're earning some T-Fuel that might be more valuable in the future. A lot of people have been talking about Theta or Theta recently, and it's either you love it or you hate it. I like it, but at the same time I can't really see how this token is going to gain value. The Theta token is going to gain value in the future. Right now it's people speculating. You know, the YouTube co-founder is an advisor, so it looks good. The site itself, you know, when you go on the Theta TV site, the live streams look good, but it doesn't look like anything new. I think it's just a bit shiny. I like the idea behind this, you know, Theta Edge node. And there's also another node that you have to use staking. Yeah. So let's see. Theta token.org. So let's see. Alright, so I'm on a website now, yeah. Stephen Chen, co-founder of YouTube, so that's a big selling point. So yeah, there is the Theta Guardian node. Earn T fuel by staking Theta. So there's no way to really earn the actual Theta token. You know, do you earn it when you stream? I'm not sure. I need to do some more research. If you know, comment below. You know, can you earn Theta tokens? They seem to have a lot of edge nodes. 6,692, Guardian nodes 2,357, and Enterprise Validator nodes 13. So they have quite a lot of nodes, guys. So the Theta edge node earn T fuel by caching popular streams. You can download that on Windows or Mac and start earning T fuel. Yeah, 1 week I've earned 10 T fuel, 30 cents. But hey, if you know the price of T fuel goes up to $1, that's $10. But hey, I'm gonna keep on mining the T fuel, guys. So yeah, tell me what you think about Theta. You know, it's been on a nice run. I think it's like $2 now. $2. I saw it when it was like, you know, 20 cents, and I was like, you know, this looks good, I should buy it. And it keep on, it just kept on going up, and I was like, damn, like I missed the boat. And you know us, we've been here for some time, you know. If you've been here for some time, you don't want to buy things when they're up. But $2.17 at the time I write in. Yeah. So yeah, down 8.5% in BTC, down 0.24% in dollars. So yeah, return on investment so far 1,310%. Max supply 1 billion. Yeah, so you know, many people have high hopes for this project, and it looks good. But I guess I need to dive into the white paper because I just don't understand how value is going to be driven to the Theta token. Alright guys, I'm out.